Hello student, as we are discussing the topic parts of a plant, so a plant is basically divided into two parts, root system and the shoot system. The part of the plant which is present below the ground is known as root system, and the part of the plant which is present above the ground is known as the shoot system. The root system basically consists of root, and the shoot system contains stem, leaves, fruits, flowers, etc. Now children, we'll be revising the functions of roots once again. The basic and the primary function of the root is that it fixes the plant firmly in the soil. Roots help to keep it upright straight in the ground. Any plant remains straight just because of the firm fixing of the roots in the soil. Otherwise, they may lie down. Now, another important function of root is that as the soil contains underground water and minerals inside it, so just because of the roots only, these minerals and water present in the soil are transferred to the rest of the parts of the plant. Clear? Now root binds the soil. Roots of a plant bind the soil and hold it in its place. Roots store food also. Sometimes roots can also store food within themselves like carrot, radish, etc. We eat such roots. Okay? These are the plants which we eat in the form of root. Now children, once again we'll be revising the functions of stem. Likewise, roots, the stem also has many tube-like structures inside it. The main function of these structure is to transfer water, minerals and food within various parts of the plant. As the root supports the plant below the ground, in the same way the stem helps to support the plant above the ground. Now children, come to another most important part of the plant, that is known as leaf. Leaves of most plants are broad and flat, but there is a great variety in their shape and size. Shape and size of the leaves may differ from plant to plant. It may also differ according to the temperature of that particular place or the climatic condition of that particular place. The flat broad part of the leaf is called leaf blade. You can easily make out the leaf blade from the picture of the leaf that is already drawn in the book. In the middle of the leaf blade is the main vein, and the several side veins come out of it called the side veins. Several side veins come out of the middle vein. These side veins of the leaves carry food from the leaves to the different parts of the plant. Now children, have you ever thought that plant has so many leaves? Number of leaves is always more in each and every plant. Why is it so? And why the leaves are mostly green in color, not of any other color? So the question here, answer to this question will be the leaves are known as the kitchen of the plant. Now why leaves are known as the kitchen of the plant? Because they prepare food for the plant. That is why the leaves are called kitchen of the plant. And as far as the color is concerned, the leaves have green color pigment inside them that is known as chlorophyll. That is why the color of the leaf is always green. Only the part which contain chlorophyll like leaves can make food for the plant. Apart from chlorophyll, leaves need sunlight, carbon dioxide and water to make food. The chlorophyll absorbs sunlight, and this is the reason why sunlight is very important for the plant. Now leaves have many tiny pores called stomata that help in the exchange of gases such as carbon dioxide and oxygen. Leaves contain tiny pores. They are known as stomata, and they are very essential for the exchange of gases during the photosynthesis or the process of making food and respiration. Now children, next process is also known as transpiration. Transpiration also takes place through stomata. Due to heat from the sun, plant lose water from these pores by evaporation, and this is known as transpiration. Now children, let us discuss about stomata. Leaves have many tiny pores called stomata that help in the exchange of gases like carbon dioxide and oxygen in making food and respiration. Now what are stomata? Stomata are the tiny pores which are present in the leaves which help in the exchange of gases during the preparation of food and respiration. Transpiration also takes place through these tiny pores known as stomata. Now we should know what is transpiration. Transpiration is the loss of water from the pores by evaporation. This is known as the process of transpiration. Transpiration is none other thing but just a loss of water from the leaves. Okay. many pores are on the lower surface of the leaf than its upper surface. Now the number of pores are more on the lower surface as compared to the upper surface, just to prevent the loss of water. Clear to everyone? Where these pores are more? These pores are more on the lower surface as compared to the upper surface. Now switch over to the very important process known as photosynthesis. Photosynthesis is the process of making food in plants in the presence of chlorophyll, water, carbon dioxide and especially sunlight. Okay. Now why this process is known as photosynthesis? Since light is very essential for this process of making food, that is why this process is basically known as photosynthesis. And if we break this word photosynthesis, it will be broken into two words. Photo means light and synthesis means putting together.